Hi YouTube family, Batandi Bomkos, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for choosing me. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for showing me love again and again. Let's get straight to today's video. Batandi Bomkosi, today we have Zodwa wabantu. It's all about Zodwa wabantu. We all know Zodwa wabantu. So Zodwa wabantu decided to post a video of herself showing off her car and also telling us on how she got that car. This is indeed interesting, guys. Please watch this video of how she got the car.
Hi guys, to all my Ben 10s, guys, look at me. Mina favor and I'm given a car with my pussy. So to every Ben 10 that's dating me or fucking me, if you're gonna go out there while you're dating me, as in you're hustling, ask for money, ask for driver's license, don't ask for champagne or alcohol. If you're gonna fuck around while you're fucking me, ask for a driver's license, ask for 15,000 monthly allowance. Look at me. Me now with my pussy. I'm in Devon. I'm fucking somebody and he gave me the car. It's not my car, it's my pussy car.
Batandi Bomkosi Nizizwele, Zodwa wabantu was able to get that car by using her flower. You know, God gifted this woman a flower. I think it's a unique flower. I don't know, because she knows how to operate it smoothly to the point ukuthi ize imtholele a car. I wonder ukuthi umtholela ini in the near future. I just wonder. And I hope amabhenten wakhe amzwile. You guys, you better aim high. You know, the aim is to aim higher. Ninga effie around just for our champagnes. No, we don't do that here. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I rest my case with Zodwa. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.